Welcome to Genius Kiddies channel, your number one YouTube channel where you get to learn mathematical skill. We teach here with simplicity. So I am here again bringing in a video on volume of a cylinder. Volume of a cylinder. This topic just requires that you know the formula. You already know your basic operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. That would help you in solving questions that relate to this. So I have question on the board already. The formula is just pi r square h. Pi r square h. Pi is always 22 over 7 or 3.14. 3.14 is a decimal, changing this fraction to decimal. So I always advise that you use 22 over 7 when your questions is just like this. But if it requires decimal, so I will advise that you use 3.14, or if the question specifically states that you should use 3.14 as your pi, go ahead and do that. Don't insist on using 22 over 7. Okay, but today this question is not stating that. I'll be using 22 over 7 to solve this. The radius is 5 meters, while the height is 12 meters. So let's solve. Volume is 22 over 7 times radius is raised to power 2 times the height is 12 over 1. So I'll be making use of my multiplication to solve this, and then I'll proceed to division. So 22 times 5, that's 110, times 5 times 12, that's 60, over 7 times 1 times 1 is still 7. Then I can multiply it by 60. 0, 0, 0, 0, 6, 6. I did this so that I can show you how the answers are gotten. So we have 6,600 divided by 7. The next thing is for you to use your division method, your long division method, to get your final answer. 6,600 divided by what? 7. So what is 66 divided by 7? Is going to give us 9. 7 times 9 is 63. Then I take away 0, 0, and 3. You can watch my video on division of numbers. It will guide you on this. 30 divided by 7, that's 4. 7 times 4 is 28. Take away, you have 20. 20 divided by 7, that's 2. 7 times 2 is 14. You are left with 6. You can leave your answer in fraction. You can leave it in fraction or in decimal. So I choose to leave it in fraction. 942. Then 6 over 7 meter. This is meter cubic. This is the volume of the very first cylinder you can see on the board. Let's go to the second question. Now I'm still using the formula. I have 22 over 7 times the radius this time around is 2 times 2 times 6. The height is 6. Is in millimeter this time round. So what do? Let's multiply. 22 times 2, that's 44. Times 2 times 6, that's 12. 7 times, so we can multiply now. 44 times 12. This is 8, 8, 4, 4, 8, 12, 5. You have 528 divided by 7. Use your division method. 528 divided by 7. 7 in 52, that will be 7. 7 times 7 is 49. Take away, you have 38. 7 times divided by this is 5. 7 times 5 5 is 35. You are left with what? 3. I choose not to leave this one in fraction. I want to take it to decimal. So 7 divided by 3 is not possible. Add your decimal point and add 0 here. So we have 30 divided by 7. That will give you 4. 7 times 4 is 28. You are left with 2. Then 7 into 2 is not possible. Add your 0. 20 divided by 7, that's 2. 7 times 2, 14. You can actually stop here. The standard answer can give you 2 decimal places. So the volume can give us 75.42 millimeter cubic. Volume is always in cubic. So if you have been able to understand this, the questions are the same. The very first question, I left my answer in fraction. The question will tell you whether you should leave your answer in fraction or you should do it in decimal. I did this second example in decimal so that you can see that it can actually be converted to both decimal and in fraction. If you enjoyed this video, please share with your friends, your loved ones, your family. Subscribe, share, let it go far and wide. Till I come your way again, thanks.